Hi everyone. Welcome back to PDMS for Beginner. Today I will talk about how to refer the Google Map to AutoCAD Plant 3D. Navigate to Insert tab, choose Set Location, then click from ESRI Map. In the address, we can find the location need to refer. Click Find, then zoom to the location want to refer. Right-click, then choose Drop Maker here. Click Next. Choose the coordinate system suitable. Click Next again. Select the point for location. Here I put 0, 0, 0. Then specify the north direction angle. Normally the direction angle is 90 degree. Right now we have successfully referred the location from Google Map to AutoCAD Plant 3D. We can change the style of map to any suitable. We can capture the picture for this map by click here. Thank you for your watching and see you soon.